Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. Now I am going to show how to draw a fan in AutoCAD 2D. At first I am going to select the circle. Select the circle. The first circle will be 4 inch, and again select the circle, and the second circle will be 3 inch. Now I am going to select the line and draw a line which will be 2 inch. Okay, done. Then go to the offset, enter, click on this point 0.6, and it will be also 0.6. Done. Escape, then delete it, then go to the line command, and it will be 1.5 inch, tab 135 degree. Okay, it will be 20 inch, tab 2 degree. Done. Then select it and click on mirror command, click on this point and click another point, select and go to the move command, move it attached with this point. Okay, done. Then go to the arc, select the start and radius, start and radius will be 2. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select it and joint it, enter J enter, then select it, go to the polar array, go to the select, click on the circle, and the item will be 3, and the fan is done. Thank you for watching today's video, and thanks our honorable teacher Naim sir who helped to draw this.